either they will say, oh, they'll know about it right away because we have phone books right for us and our address. They'll either do one of two things. They'll either take your order and they'll call you the store, or if they're real busy, they might have you call. They'll say, this is the one that delivers to your address.
Your captain this afternoon is Denny Schaefer. It is informed us our flight time to Chicago will be a quick 24 minutes at an altitude of 22,000 feet. Under conditions, some perfect flighting with a temperature of 37 degrees. Now we ask that you direct your attention to the forward portion of each cabin for safety features and seatbelt.
And that would automatically bring the office. Some towns are like Charlotte, they have one operating station where everybody calls that operator that one number, and they have like 40 operators. Take your order, and they punch it in the computer, and they automatically route down there and comes out of the store. That's going up well, yeah.
And now, please fasten your seatbelt.
On the busy like 40 to 50. So that's just Charlotte. Yeah, one city. So,
Thank you for choosing American Airlines.
We'd like to thank you for your attention. Once you're in the air, flight to consult the
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Captain Denny Schaefer here on behalf of your San Francisco and San Diego based crews, and welcome aboard. Nice to have you with us. Looks like we're going to be number one for departure, and it looked originally like we were going to have about a 10-minute delay. They said, no, there's no delay. We're going to go right on our way. So we've completed all of our cockpit checks. I'm going to ask our flight attendants to prepare for takeoff at this time.